Driving test help and update, let's go! Driving tests have been closed for ages. So there's now an 8-month waiting list and 1.2 million people waiting for driving licenses. So many people's theory test certificates have expired and we're at a 9-year low of 17 to 25-year-olds being qualified to drive. Boris reconfirmed that lessons will start again on the 12th and driving tests 10 days after. So, here's some tips to help you get back on track fast. Firstly, keep studying. If you're on your theory stage, then keep practicing until there's just no chance of failing. We've got a good theory test and hazard perception videos. The WeDrive theory app has good mock tests, and don't leave it until the last minute to start cramming. That's important. If you're on your driving test though, then if you can, find some friends and family that you can drive with. They only need to be over 21 and have had a license for 3 years to accompany you. Don't forget though, you do need learner insurance, which actually is much less expensive than you might think. Give Marmalade Insurance a try. I've always found them to be the cheapest for learners. Then find an instructor. Most of the people that I work with are already booking weeks in advance, so don't be last in their queue. WeDrive also have a cool app that helps you find a driving instructor, so check them out to make the process a lot easier. Okay, here's what I'm obviously going to suggest. Watch YouTube videos, but not just mine. Here's a couple of other channels who give great advice, have really well-made videos, and will help you learn and improve your driving skills without even being behind the wheel of a car. Lastly, and this doesn't get talked about enough in my opinion, is stress management. Driving tests are stressful and nerve-wracking at the best of times, but now you're going to be taking a driving test knowing that you won't get another chance for months. So consider some stress management like meditation, anti-anxiety remedies like chamomile or calms, or if you think you'll have especially bad anxiety, your GP can and will help. If any of that's helpful, drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel so you catch the next video that we make. All of the links to the things that I've been through here are in the description below. Or drop a comment in the comments box if there's anything else that I can help you with. In the meantime, drive safe.